Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat fidang pek yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Kaseng San Partai United Democratic Party henne kasngi kahnyo terik unailar kelapan skam yakarai ban aya kejingkersang Bapura ya kaseng National People's Party ukonrat ke sangma hakani election MLA siteng samoy uban saykon na South Tura constituency kaban salong haka apply terik menta unailar u General Secretary jong kaseng UDP u Dr. Jemino Mautho habai keren bat kilat patai kubor henne kasngi ulai tu ba kejelang jong Central Executive Committee jong UDP kabalai kendo karke kalasim yakarai bat ban kersan pura yo konrat ke sangma kadai halor kanong rem ba ke UDP ru kadai ke sengsan partai ka ba ai ke jingkersan ka kanhun sanchar hakani ke sarkar jalla kata ya ka Meghalaya Democratic Alliance ka balai lam khaman da ka seng National People's Party haka bedai part bat election MLA siteng samoy po Ranikor constituency kaban salong haka arpulai terek hi menta unailar nakalang ke UDP kalarai ban pentikena bau kertong jong ke UDP udai banjob bat nakabentakane nakalang kaseng ka sapenjuru ya kejingla yelap election hakani kathan hakaba onsele a jingkran hakije lang yelap election nadu kinoi lam bahalor jong kaseng UDP.
The United Democratic Party, we want to ensure that we are going to win this by-election in Ranikor because we feel that it is extremely important for the party to win this election, not only to strengthen the party's support base in Ranikor, but also to increase the number of seats of the UDP in this MDA government. So today, all party leaders from different districts of the states attended the meeting, including leaders from the Garo Hill sector, and together we had planned and strategized how to go about campaigning in Ranikor and also in South Tura constituency. As far as Ranikor is concerned, the campaign has already started, and this time we are going to strengthen our campaign by involving all the MLAs, all the ministers, the party presidents, secretaries and party functionaries from the different districts to campaign aggressively in Ranikor constituency. That is number one. And number two is, as far as South Tura constituency is concerned, we have already stated in the media that this time in South Tura we are supporting Conrad Sangma, who is the present Chief Minister of the state of Meghalaya, in this election this time, and we hope that he is going to win this election this time. So these are the two things that we have discussed today. But there is one candidate who used to be part of the United Democratic Party. His name is Kabul Sangma. So he had rebelled against the party and he had quit the party and he has gone out from the party and he is contesting the election most probably as an independent candidate. So we want the public to know that he is not of the UDP, and we have expelled him from the party also, since he himself has quit. So there's no question of expulsion also, and we are not part of the campaign for this person, because we as a party are fully supporting Chief Minister Conrad Sangma. In fact, we had a meeting also in Tura, wherein the president of the party and the working president of the party and myself, we had gone there. We met leaders of the party in Garo Hills, and they also have agreed to listen to the High Command and support Mr. Conrad Sangma this time in the South Tura elections.
Hakani kejelang ke UDP kalakran sani baru halor ke National Register of Citizens balapan terekam hakajela Assam halor ke nekapang ke UDP kalasyam yakarai banya serlok lang bat kiseng san partai ki bedai perlong ki baya senrap lang hakani ke kenhon sensyar jong sarkar jela kata haka Meghalaya Democratic Alliance kenang ban persengau syak sarkar jela bakan penterekam no hakani kejela ru ya ke National Register of Citizens da kababot ya kanuksa jong kajala Assam kenang banla banito ikitrash nong Bapura bat yakiwi par kijai benreu ki basuan buhai snong bean hakani kajala Meghalaya Dr. Jamino Mautho hakaji keren bagi nong pathai kubor ulai tho bak UDP kala tharu daga core committee ban pan ni kijing sngo bak kijing ajimot nagi dikhot jongka party shwa ban netra ya kijing dawa ban patrikam ya NRC hakni ke jala Meghalaya.
The Central Executive Committee meeting today decided that this matter will be taken up with all the partners who are in this MDA government, because we are in the government. So we want to apprise all the partners of the MDA also and this government to take a call as far as this NRC issue is concerned, because we feel that it should not be only pressure groups or interest groups or NGOs or the youth wing of political parties that should take up this matter, because since this matter is very, very serious and we are also apprehensive about the fallout of this NRC in Assam, we feel that there should be some safeguards and mechanisms also in the state of Meghalaya. So we are going to take it up as partners in the MDA, and we want the government to take a call as far as the NRC is concerned. And besides this, we have also constituted a small committee. We will be constituting a small committee of the UDP where we are going to study the matter, as far as the coming in of illegal migrants, the entering of the dubious voters in the electoral roll and so on and so forth. So these will be taken up by the core committee. We will try to delve a little bit deeper into the matter, because there are many political and social implications here. And after the committee sits, after we solicit the views and opinions of our party workers at the grassroots level, we will be able to finally, present this proposal to the government, so that the government also can take the matter seriously.